If you want the bow to stand up, I place 2 skewers vertical on each end inside of the bow loops on the cake, making sure they don't go above the bow. I also kept the acetate tubes in the bow loops for structure, or you could use rolled up baking paper. I also used a piping gel I made with just 1 tablespoon of water to 1 tablespoon of gelatine. Heat up 1 cup of glucose syrup and add gelatine. Pour into a jar to cool down completely. There is also cornstarch based piping gel recipes if you don't want to use gelatine. I use this to attach the sensors is the hardest part, so the gel and the skewers help hold it in place while it dries. Then attach the center join. I hope this helped.